The pizza is ready. The pizza is ready. I just transferred the money. I just transferred the money. My parents are in the military. My parents are in the military. I've been spending way too much money. I've been spending way too much money. I have morning sickness. I have morning sickness. My hair is falling out like crazy. My hair is falling out like crazy. We got laid off. We got laid off. I take off my wig. I take off my wig. I try on new glasses. I try on new glasses. I just found my keys, finally. I just found my keys, finally. I study fashion design. I study fashion design. Mondays are so rough. Mondays are so rough. Time to take my meds. Time to take my meds. My teeth are sensitive. My teeth are sensitive. Stop snooping through my phone. Stop snooping through my phone. We're newlyweds. We're newlyweds. I got caught in the rain. I got caught in the rain. I'm really into photography. I'm really into photography. I just got a new laptop. I just got a new laptop. I'm allergic to flowers. I'm allergic to flowers. I'm checking out the new phone drop. I'm checking out the new phone drop. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. Oh no, I threw my back out. Oh no, I threw my back out. I have no appetite. I have no appetite. I'm cutting out sugar. I'm cutting out sugar. Let me pull up the map. Let me pull up the map. I'm doing some electrical work. I'm doing some electrical work. I totally bombed the exam. I totally bombed the exam. I have a broken arm. I have a broken arm. Dad, can you strap my helmet on? Dad, can you strap my helmet on? The wind is crazy strong today. The wind is crazy strong today.